Alright, this is how to remove a cabin air filter in a 2001 Honda Civic. Pop the glove box. You're gonna see these two little tabs right here. Right here. And on the opposing side, right here. You're gonna wanna push out from here. Push them out first, and that's what you're gonna do first. You're gonna pull it out through the hole that it sits through. Just like that. For both sides. And just put that somewhere you can remember it. And then get to the other side. Doing this with one hand, it's a little hard. See how it came loose right there? It's gonna start. You just gotta kind of wiggle it out, and bam. And your glove box is just gonna wanna drop, so you gotta hold it. Cause I got some stuff in here. And right up under here. Okay, so once you're in here, there's gonna be a tab right here. You push down like that. See that? And then you just pull out, and this little cover will come off. You put that. Ooh, that's dirty. Ooh, that's funky. I'm gonna put that somewhere. Ooh, wow, I'm not even gonna put that in there. And then it's gonna be your air filter right here. You pull it up. Pow, and yeah, let's replace that crap. That's gonna be dirty. That's funky right there. That's funky. And you can keep the plastic too. Let's see. And then there's gonna be another one right here. See? And you slide it out with this tab, and then you pull through. Just like so. Holy moly, man. Oh Lord, that is some funky stuff. Put some more back in there. Put a new one back in there from AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, Walmart. They'll tell you which one you need. And yeah, you do that, the reverse order, and then boom, you're good to go. Okay, so these are the old filters. It's pretty dang sharp. And these are the new. The Breeze and Fuse. So it's a much needed change. Okay, so this is why you're supposed to hang on to these plastic holders, because you're going to reuse them. So try to clean them off the best you can. And you're going to put your new air filter for Breeze and Fuse. Airflow. You put the airflow. It's pointing down. See that? Look at your holder. Look at your container. It says airflow pointing down. So you're going to do that. Match it up, just like that. Just like so. It's a little rumpled up there, but that's okay. We're gonna get the other one. Do the same thing. Okay, so you're gonna pop the glove box open again. Let it hang. You see where I'm going in here? Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna make sure these tabs are on the outside, so you can pull it out. You're gonna shove it in there and let it go. Push. Oh, that one goes on. This one goes in last. And this one goes in first because this tab's on the outer left. The one on the outer right goes last. So you're gonna shove it in here. Just like so. And then you're gonna shove it back with the tab. Boom, like that. But the other one, like this, airflow down. You're gonna put it just like that. And boom, you got both of those in there. Now, you get the cover piece. That looked oh so nasty. I cleaned it off a little bit. You're gonna put it right here, into that slot right there. Just like that. And then you're gonna snap it in, right here. And boom, you're good to go. Then you're gonna attach your glove box holders, whatever you call these, on both sides. So this hole, you're gonna want to put this through, and then clip it in like that. And I'll do that later. So you're gonna want to push the glove box up to this point, to like a halfway closed point. And you're gonna shove your thing up and in, push it back in, stop it from falling. See how that rubber thing isn't holding on to anything, it just stops it at that mark. You know what I'm saying? See that? So that's what you're gonna do on this side too. You're gonna push it up to a quarter of the way closed. Now push it all the way through. Push it through. Push it up. Now once you're through like that, you see how it's stopping? And push it all the way through though. Clips all in. There we go. Clips are in. We're good to go. Back to normal, baby. We're not gonna be smelling burnt plastic or burnt rubber anymore, whatever that smells like. And then yeah. So yeah, the installation is just reverse of everything. And if you go to a dealership, they're gonna want to charge you like $100 or something like that. And this is easy. This, I got the higher quality kind. The Honda Civic takes 2 at a time, like that. So it cost me about 27 bucks for this with the Febreze. But if you want to go cheaper, it's like 17 bucks. And yeah, it's gonna save you a lot of money. It's not worth it. And you could easily do it, because I could do it.